Hello beauties and welcome to Makeup 101. In our previous video, we learned how to prep our skin for flawless makeup application. If you're new here and missed out on that video, I've linked it down below so you can watch. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on any episodes. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to apply foundation and concealer for a flawless complexion. Whether you're new to makeup or just looking to perfect your technique, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need foundation, concealer, and translucent powder. Then you'll need either a makeup sponge or brush. Next, grab your concealer. We're going to apply to the inner corner, below our eye, and on the outer corner of our eye, on our eyelids, so that we can prep for eyeshadow. Gently pat it in with your brush in a dabbing type of motion. You need to push the product into your skin. Now, let's apply foundation. Put a small amount on your face directly, or you could use the back of your hand if you're not sure how much to use. Use a sponge or brush and blend it evenly on your face. Focus on the areas that need more coverage. Blend, blend, blend. We're going to use a bouncing kind of motion to help the foundation get into your skin. This helps create a natural finish and avoid streaks. For your makeup to last a lot longer, set it with a translucent setting powder. Use a fluffy brush to lightly dust it over your face. I like to set the areas where I have my concealer and on my T-zones. The balance of the powder I use on the rest of my face. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly foundation and concealer application. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and do whatever works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next video. Bye. Stay fabulous.